Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top news. Doctors at Fortis Jaipur successfully remove a 20-year-old liver tumor weighing 8.5 kilos from a 57-year-old female. Doctors at Fortis Escorts Hospital Jaipur successfully removed a 20-year-old tumor from the liver of a 54-year-old female patient. The tumor weighed 8.5 kilos and had grown to a life-threatening size of 15.7 inches over the last 2 decades. The patient had visited multiple hospitals, but all of them refused treatment owing to the size of the tumor and the risk involved in the surgery. Speaking to Medical Dialogues, Dr. Sandeep Jain, Director of Department of Gastrosurgery, Fortis Escorts Hospital Jaipur said,
Since as you are aware correctly that she was suffering for last 20 years.
Yes.
And definitely tumor was allowed to grow in this huge size because of this long duration. And liver has actually 3 parts: the right part, the middle part, and the left part.
Okay.
So all the vessels, important vessels which supply or they enter liver in the central part, and then they tree to the peripheral parts left.
Yes.
So since the tumor was part, we have to remove the central part of the liver, and this particular surgery is called as mesohepatectomy.
Okay.
as mentioned in that report.
Right.
It is called mesohepatectomy. So
Okay.
this in itself is a very complicated liver surgery. It is one of the most complicated liver surgeries because you have to remove the central part of the liver without disturbing the blood vessels supplying blood to the right and left part of the livers.
Right.
Techniques like we pre-operatively get CT scan done with special in a special way. We call it a triple phase CT scan, which delineate the relation of tumor with the vessels. And once we do that, then during surgery we have to be careful that of course the CT scan film is the guide, and by that we have to be careful that we should not breach any vessel so that the blood supply to the right liver is not hampered.
Okay.
Since it was a very big tumor, so we were prepared with blood in hand in case it was required. Once we anesthetize the patient after putting all the lines, central line, arterial line, then we give an incision. And since the tumor was big, so incision was also quite big. It was a horizontal incision. So once we enter the abdomen through that incision, we mobilize the liver. And so right lobe of the liver was mobilized fully. Then we do the cholecystectomy, and after that the cholecystectomy. Then after that we just dissect and loop every vessel entering the liver.
Okay.
Like portal vein, bile ducts of both the sides, portal vein of both the sides, and hepatic artery of both the sides.
Okay.
Apart from that, superiorly what we do, we dissect and loop the hepatic veins. And once we do that, then we just clamp the vessels supplying the central part, individual vessels, and then we do the central part of the liver along with the tumor. So in this case particularly, the tumor was 40 centimeters. So practically whole of the central liver was tumor itself. There was nothing like normal liver and then tumor inside.
Mm-hmm.
That is why it was so. It is, as I was telling you, that this surgery is very complicated, mesohepatectomy. But usually what happens, the tumor size is not that big.
They're small.
We have done three such surgeries in the past, where the tumor size was 5 to 8 centimeters. So it is much.
Size and weight both. It's 8.5, 8.5.
See, weight doesn't increase the degree of difficulty.
Okay, size does.
Okay. Size does. To surgeon, for us to remove a tumor, it does not matter how much the tumor is weighing. It has an implication on the suffering of
patient.
That patient was carrying 8-9 kgs of tumor in her liver. So that gives you an idea that how much suffering that patient must have been through. Right. But size does difficulty in such surgeries, because liver otherwise is very small. I mean, not very small in comparison to this tube. 40 centimeter itself, size bigger than the whole liver itself.
Right.
So, and this big tumor, when there is such a big tumor, it plays the vessels, it stretches the vessels around, so making them difficult to dissect and preserve.
Okay.
So once we did all the looping of all the vessels, hepatic vein, hepatic arteries and bile ducts, then we did the resection of the central part. So only once we had done that, the only part, the final picture was that the portal vein supplying the right liver, portal vein and hepatic artery supplying the right liver, and the left livers are lying separately along with the separate bile, and superiorly left hepatic vein and right hepatic vein, and everything in between was not there. So there is a disconnect between the two sides of the liver, right and left.
Right.
So once it was done, patient was closed and patient was extubated. She stayed in ICU for I think 2 to 3 days. 3 days, and then
Discharge after 11 days, yeah.
Fine. I mean, she is. The moment you start talking to her, she starts crying because she was so much in pain and suffering for 20 years.
Yes.
And she somehow got the idea that it is a non-treatable disease. So now that she is free of that disease, and luckily that tumor was also benign, so it was not a cancer kind of thing. Although this benign tumor was also life-threatening because of its size. But since it was a benign tumor in the end, so there is no risk because of that, which otherwise would have been of recurrence of cancer or something like that,
Right.
So she's absolutely fine, very happy. She herself is a nurse in Rajasthan government dispensary.
Okay.
Yeah, and according to her, she tried at many places, but every time she was told that this operation is too risky.
She went to many hospitals.
Yeah, and one more thing, fortunately, we did not require any blood transfusion for her.
That's
That
luckily.
was another best part.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Luckily that you didn't
Yeah, of
require
course.
that. Right. Well, that's
So
very
everything
nice.
is related to the technique of the, technique, and all these things does matter. But of course, this is a case on 2-3 accounts. Number one, the central part of liver had a tumor which isn't grown to this size, and this. Okay. Second was that the mesohepatectomy in itself is a very rare operation.
Right.
And very difficult. Irrespective of to be done in 40, it in itself is a big challenge. I may not be wrong if I have to search the literature, but I may not be wrong if I come to know that tumor for mesohepatectomy was done for the first time. It is quite possible.
Okay.
So it was so big in size. And third was the histopathology, the biopsy report. It was it's called memory type. This tumor usually occurs in breast, but in liver it's a rare type. So this tumor was there.
Right.
So all these things makes this case very interesting and rare.
The case was managed extremely well with tremendous efficacy and expertise of Dr. Sandeep Jain and his team. Salute for giving new lease of life to patient who had lost all hope and undertaking such a high-risk surgery. That's all for today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.